Hi, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel K.S.R English. Now, let us discuss about a new word. Before moving on, have you ever heard about IOTA? Do you know the meaning of IOTA? Now, let us learn. IOTA is a ninth letter of the Greek alphabet. Okay, so it is the ninth letter of the Greek alphabet. That means extremely small amount, very tiny amount or bit. Okay, for example, there is not an iota of truth in what he says. That means there is no truth at all. He is lying. Okay, and one more example, I haven't seen one iota of evidence in that case to prove it. Okay, that means there is no evidence. There is no evidence at all. So these are the best example for this.